We're about to eat breakfast before we go to the water park. They're high-tech people. They're gonna order from the machine. Then we're gonna head out to this water park. People, we are rolling. We're getting an early start so we can get there when the water park opens. We are here. We made good timing. People, we are here. We are here. Go, go. Let's find an area to sit. Find an area to sit. Area to sit. We are here, people. We are about to go in. Go swimming. Woo! Fun time. Hey, people. We're about to go in. It looks pretty deep. About to swim away in a second. Wait. It's a lovely day, people. Whoa. Not too hot, just the right temperature. Okay, people, I have some students that's brave and they decided to get on this slide. Let's see if they make it through. Oh my God. Oh my God, I hear them. Where's the other ones? There they go, there they go. Oh my God, they survived. It's Miss Destiny. Destiny, you made it. Oh. Okay, people, they're headed up their stairwell to that long, long water slide. I'm not getting on that. Oh my God, they're coming real fast. Oh my God. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, there goes Destiny. And she survived. Out here in this water, people, I'm not going to go too far in because I don't want to drown. I'm going to stay right within the 3 feet of water, right here where I'm safe. Mr. Mitchell is trying to show off his swimming skills, and I'm going to stay right here and watch. Whoa, quit splashing me. Okay, go get in. Go under the mushroom. I know you guys can do it. Whoa. Now she can't get back from under there. Whoa. 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 See you when you get out. Okay. Really? They're out here, people. Wow! Wow! He's splashing me. Are you guys having a good time here? Yes. Oh my God! Whoa! Whoa! Oh, Melanie! They're still going, people. They don't want to leave, but it's time to go. We got a little more time, and we're about to hit the road. The other two, they keep getting lost. Are you guys having fun? Yeah. Yes, are you having fun? Eat food. Okay. We're about to roll out, people. We're rolling out. We had fun. It's time to roll back home. Back in town, people. The little Rugrats are ready to go home. And that's it until August when I have to see them again. All right. It's been one. It's been fun. Fantastic.